Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to export your customer list from QuickBooks Online. This is a useful way to keep your records organized and gain clearer business insights. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Make sure you select the correct platform and carefully enter your login credentials to access your data. Once you're inside QuickBooks, click the settings icon in the top right corner. From there, you'll see account management options, including data export. Next, select the option called Export Data. This will open different export choices. Go to the Lists tab, which includes customers, suppliers, and other categories. Choose Customers to isolate your customer list for export. This makes it easy to access customer information outside of QuickBooks. Finally, click Export to Excel. Your customer data will download into a spreadsheet format, making it simple to manage, analyze, and share. Exporting your customer list into Excel gives you more flexibility and helps you make smarter business decisions. Just remember to keep your exported file secure, especially since it contains sensitive customer details. And that's it.